Well, let's take a look at the commodity space. Negative interest rates and political uncertainties linked to the American presidential election have been key factors affecting weak gold prices over the past few months. Now, worldwide demand for the precious metal totaled 993 tons in the third quarter. That's down about 10% year on year. CCTV's Martina Fuchs talks to Roland Wang. He's the World Gold Council head about the outlook for the bullion in the new year.
Well, we think that uncertainty will still exist in the coming months, and it will not be clarified in the near future. We have seen that there's uncertainty also about the possible new policies by the new elected president, Mr. Trump, and also what happens to the U.S. exchange rate. We haven't seen the clear signals from the Fed. So we will wait for that, and we're pretty sure that, of course, the negative interest rate situation will not be improved very quickly.
Chinese investors rushed to gold in the aftermath of Brexit. Now the World Gold Council cannot give any price forecasts, but in terms of trends, what kind of bullion supply and demand trend are you seeing for China next year?
We have confidence that this year in China, we will see that there might be a total demand in between 800 to 900 tons of gold annually. But in terms of next year, a little bit too early for us to make a forecast now.
China bought 478 tons of gold jewelry in the first 9 months of this year, which was still down 20% year on year. In which assets do you think should gold investors in China put their money in the new year?
We suggest that the Chinese consumers should consider to diversify their asset. We don't recommend the general investors in China to take a short-term attitude on gold investment.
The World Gold Council is planning to start a global Sharia standard on gold. This would allow Islamic financial institutions as well as their clients to invest in both physical gold as well as ETFs. By when are you planning to launch this new standard?
It depends on the last approval procedures by the related organizations. But it will come very soon. We hope that that official launch will provide a more transparent and clear standards for the Islamic investors to fully understand the case of gold and also fully understand the long-term investment value for gold in their diversification of their portfolios.
Islamic finance might still be a little bit of an exotic concept to Chinese investors. Are you expecting any demand from China?
In terms of China, we have seen this continuously strong interest and demand from gold as investment products. So whether it will have more investment from the Islamic group, we hope so. We're pretty sure that it will. And so it contributed to the global demand.